Dokes Custom. We're on part 3 of our heat recirculation build. As you can see in front of you, we've got the down tubes tacked on for the moment. We've got the flange plates that we built the other day. It's just merely sitting in place. We put it in place so that way it'll keep its spacing and whatnot. What we're going to do is we're going to weld these into place, these downward tubes. We're going to move the flange into the position that we want it to be, the final place, and we'll tack weld there and there on that side. Then we'll come through here with a thin sawzall blade or cut-off wheel, cut those off, and that way all we have to do is grind down the remainder, and our flanges will be straight and true to each other, and they'll be true with the pipes. So it looks like we're drawing down. We're getting pretty close on there. A few little things to do. We'll deburr, a little cleaning. Got to tweak this pipe up here a little bit, but it's getting otherwise pretty close to the finished product. So keep on watching, stay tuned, and we'll likely show you how it works when we get it all finally put in. Alright, well, we just finished welding the system up. Got our plates positioned where we want it to be, flush with the bottom, and we've seam welded all the way around them. And now what we're getting ready to do is take a sawzall or cut-off wheel, come through here and separate all these pieces of pipe. They're still attached. Like I said, we ran them straight through and then welded around them. Going to cut them, and then we're going to grind it flush and be able to, hopefully everything will mate up like it's supposed to, and put a small high heat gasket in place and set it in place. So we'll let you know. We'll show some more video of it going into place and what the final results are. So stay tuned. Alrighty, well, we just finished cutting our pipes in half, and I've done some grinding on one side. The other side is left. But as you can see, it come up kind of nifty looking. Hopefully, like I said, we'll grind down this side, and when we'll make a gasket to go in here, a nice high temperature gasket, and bolt together, and hopefully it's all airtight so it draws the air where we want it to, and it keeps air out of where we don't want it to be. So stay tuned and keep watching. Hello, and welcome back to Dokes Customs. We've finished with our heat recirculator, at least on my end of it anyways. Now it's up to the mason to come over and work on it, and cut the holes in the concrete and all that, set it in and whatnot. And it's not exactly perfect, so I'm hoping it's pretty good. But nevertheless, this is a project. We'll show it to you when there's a roaring flame in it and it's actually doing what it's supposed to do, hopefully. If not, I just wasted a bunch of time and money and having it done. So hopefully all things go as they're planned to, and it'll pan out, and maybe it'll be a project that you, some of the viewers, might be able to try, do yourself, hopefully learn something from. Maybe not, just maybe something to giggle at. But nevertheless, stay tuned, keep watching.